hose leaks. Check out these welds. Oh, yo. Yeah, dude, check that fucking thing out, dude. We got that. We got the fucking 540 under the cover. ZHP action. Kid's got 2 fucking cars now. Sheesh. Sheesh. Check out the fucking interior on this thing. Dove, non-sport seats, but check out those rear door cards, though. Looking brand new. Radio from that thing. Fucking $2,000 for a turbo E36. Where do you get to see it, folks?
Nowhere. You get to see gold heat wrap like this. Nowhere, folks. Well, that's as like good as that's gonna get for now.
Oh, yup. Yeah, dude, we got the dump right here. Can't see that? Oh, you can. A little wastegate action. Dumping right into the fucking hood. There's no hole cut out. Yep, yeah, I think it needs some load for some boost. A little street testing. Dude, I think the coupler might have fell off. It sounded like it. Yep. Jesus. Yeah, the rev hangs back. The old fucking coupler popped off. Yeah, dude, this kid was drunk when he fucking turboed this thing. Not us, folks. Dude, we bought it from. Let's see, did it pop? Oh, yup. There's our problem. She's making too much fucking boost.
You're removing the bumper?
Yep. Yeah, dude, it looks so much better, too. We got the stock one. Stock 328. Get him out. Need that M bumper. Yeah, these look pretty tight.
I just tightened the fuck out of it. Oh.
Mishi. Dude, it looks like someone spray painted this on here, bro.
Dude, yeah, well this turbo, like, one is loose. Look at that. Not even fucking tight.
Let's see it. Jiggle it around. No.
Oh, hot.
Oh, yep.
Look at that. Fucking. It's no good.
Folks, yeah, there they are. Some loose boys. Alright, she's mint. All coupled up. Oh, left the fucking wrench in there. Oh, there's the noise.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, dude. This thing's fucking gnarly, bro. Jesus. That's fucking awesome. I need like a tripod for this, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Kind of a first video here. Just a few baby rips in her. Still needs fuel to support the air mods that have been added. The dude we bought it from said it had like a the smallest PSI spring he had in it for the wastegate, so it's probably making like 10 PSI at most. But it didn't even break up in second. Shit's got 87 in it right now. This thing doesn't even have a boost cage, no AFRs, so you kind of need those to monitor the health of this M52. Hopefully this thing will bring us a fuckload more fun. Shit's gonna be insane. Stay tuned. See you guys next video.